In this video, I'll show you a realistic graphics mod for GTA San Andreas that runs smoothly even on low-end PCs with just 1 GB RAM. Check my video description for this mod link, check the download option and download this mod. Once download done, I'll go on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Now stuff here, I'll look on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open the graphics mod, and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Now open the mod loader, essential. Select this widescreen fix and widescreen high or select both and select delete option. Once you're done, go back to San Andreas and find this 14,000 KB. Right click and select show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. I show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.